Alright, so I'm back. And first, a couple of things. First, I had to go get something to eat. I was hungry. I had been recording this in the morning. I hadn't eaten yet, so I got something to eat. I got a bowl of cereal. It was good. But this is back in the Arabic how to read lessons. And I realized also looking at the other video that this red color marker is a little light. So I'm going to switch to a green marker, right? And I had said in the last video I was confused between Gim and Kha, and I think this is, I did have it backwards, so I think Gim is this one with the dot in the middle, and the Kha has the dot over top, okay? There's a reason why I'm confused on those, and I really don't know them, because in the script, in the actual writing, the letters transform. That's what I want to talk about this time. So I'm going to erase this here. Okay, erase this. I was wondering why am I've been practicing Arabic alphabet years and years and years ago, but I can't even remember the difference between the Gim and the Kha in the actual alphabet. That's because, for example, when you write the Gim in a word, you use this form, right? So the letter, I think, looks like this in the alphabet. But when it's written down in a word, usually you see it like this, right? And the Kha is similar. The Kha is a letter like that in the alphabet, but when you see it in a word, it's usually like that, Kha. So when you're reading it, let me see if I can find a good example. Here you go, I just opened up this book, right? And where are we at here? Okay. See that word right there? That word has Hanegar, and that's a Ga. That's a Ga letter right there, okay? And that's what it looks like in the script. There's the Ha, right? There's the Ha letter. And look, here's Min, which is the Meme and the Noon together. So in the last lesson we learned that this is a Meme and then this is a Noon, right? And the two together look something like this. Meme, right? So that transforms into that. And that means, I think in English it means either who or from. It can, the meaning could change depending on where it's used. So that's kind of why I didn't know that from the beginning. But the point of this too is to tell you that the letters, the alphabet, once you learn them, when you start reading the letters, some of them transform in the actual script when you're reading it. Another one that transforms is the ayin, right? A lot of times inside of the writing of the ayin, it will transform into what looks something like this, right? Or it's better like right. Oh, that's why I don't use this marker. It's like that. So the ayin transforms into something like that. And I'll show you a word here that says il-alim, right? Il-alim, which is like the word, the world. I'm sorry, the world. So il-alim is written elif, lam, right? Then to an ayin and a which is another elif, lam, ayin, and then another lam, then meme, okay? Alim, which means, as far as I know, the world or earth or something like that. Alim. Alright? So if I can think of anything else to share here. This point is just to tell you that things transform. Again, I'll say it again. Like il-alim is il-alif, lam, ayn, alif, lam, mim. Okay? Il-alim. And the letters really are, this is an alif, this is a lam, this is an ayn, right? I don't know if this is any better for the view. Let me change back to the red. The letters are alif, lam, ayn, alif, lam, mim. And you put those together, and it looks like this. Let me write over this just in case you can't see it. Alif, lam. Right? That's it. Alright, for this lesson. And we'll chat soon and go into more detail. Bil-Arabi. But it's important to understand that the words in the script that you're reading may be transformed from the word that's the actual alphabet letter. Alright? Remember that, and we'll come back soon. Bye.